If you're looking for the best theme that you can use to create your e-commerce WordPress website, then this video is for you. Now, irrespective of the kind of e-commerce website you want to create, either clothing and fashion e-commerce website, maybe you want to do it for electronics or gadgets, healthcare, drugs, or medication. Maybe you want to sell drugs, you want to, maybe an online pharmacy, or maybe you want to sell tools, machinery, irrespective of what you intend to sell. Okay, maybe you want to sell ebooks, you want to open a bookstore online, as long as it is e-commerce. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a list of themes that you can use to create any of these websites. Okay, and all those themes comes with awesome demos that will give you a sleek design, good layout, and a professional looking website, because these are the things that your customers are going to be looking at when they land on your website. They want to see that, okay, is this design looking professional, is it responsive, and at the same time, is the website also fast? Okay, so these are some of the features that all the things I'm going to be recommending to you will be having. Okay, and each of those themes are coming with demos. So these are demos that you can just pick, either based on the price, based on the design, based on the layout, or the features, or maybe the category. So you can choose from any of the demo, import it into your WordPress site, and just upload your own product, add your price and every other details that is needed, and voila, you already have your e-commerce website. So all of this is what we are going to be putting you through in the course of this video. So before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you see the subscribe option. If you're watching on desktop, at the lower right, you see a square box with subscribe written on it. So do make sure you subscribe. All right, so we are waiting for those that are yet to subscribe. Kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button right now. So thank you very much if you have just done that. So all the links to the themes I'll be recommending, you'll find them in the description of this video, so that you can just check them out and get started with your e-commerce WordPress site. All right, so without wasting time now, let's head over and start exploring the best e-commerce WordPress theme for you. So number one on our list is called Xstore. So you can see this is a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme. All right, going for $39. So if you come on any of this page, all right, like I mentioned, the link will be on in the description of this video, and then you come on any of the theme that you want to go with. So you see this option, add to cart. So once you just click on add to cart, you'll be able to either create an account if you don't have an account. Okay, but if you have an account already, fine, then you just go straight to the billing, where you just add your payment details, which will give you access to download the theme files, and the theme files specifically. So once you download them, those are the files you're going to upload into your WordPress site, and then you can get started. All right, so it's a pretty much a simple process. Okay, but that is just how to go about it. So this is the add to cart option. All right, so back to Xstore. So this is Xstore, is a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme. So you can see number one, most complete and customizable WordPress theme. So if you look at it, it's still the trending theme with over 50,000 sales. So you can see that this is a theme that comes highly recommendable. So now let's look at some of the features of this particular theme. So let me click on live preview. All right, so you can see it's explore 140 demos. So that's to let you know that 100% Elementor. So that means this particular theme works with Elementor page builder. Okay, then 140 pre-made websites. So that means it has 140 demos. All right, 900 plus page templates, one payment. That means you just pay once and that's all. So, and then you save about $1,660 on some of these features. You can see it here. These are the features that are listed here. Okay, and this is the regular price that you could have paid for it. All right, but for just $39, you can get all of those. You can see all of these features. Now let's explore the demo for this particular one. So you can see it here based on category. We have marketplace or mega store. So that means if you want to create a marketplace that allows other people to come and create an account and sell their product, so you can use this thing to achieve that. If you want to do for fashion and apparel, beauty and health, food and restaurants, multi-vendor, creative and agency, book and media, sport and travel, you can see there are still a lot of options there based on category. And right here, you can see what the demo look like. All right. So no coding required, one-click installation, fast and responsive demo, and all-in-one setup wizard. So you can go through all of this demo and look at the one that best fits the kind of e-commerce website you want to create. Okay. So for example, now this is for grocery mega market. This is electronics. Okay. So if you scroll down, you see more of them. So this is for architect, and then we also have the classic, if that fits into what you want. You can see this is for industrial power tools. Maybe you want to sell tools and the like. So this is a demo for you. Okay, so kid toys, you can see a whole lot of them. All right, that is why this is there. You can also use a keyword to search, and then you can also use this category to search for the kind of demos that you're actually looking out for. So if you scroll down, you're going to see more features about the theme. So if you look at it randomly, okay, so this is a feature here, product variation swatches, fake sales pop-up. You know, there are some websites, e-commerce store, you go on and then you'll be saying that somebody from somewhere just bought a t-shirt. So, you know, those things help to increase conversion and sales. So those features are available with, when you purchase this theme. You'll also be able to use some of those features. Okay, so you can say sticky, add to carts, and then free shipping progress bar on cart. And if you click here, you're going to see more features about this particular theme. So this theme comes highly recommendable. So if you want to go with it, the link again is in the description of this video. You can just go ahead and add it to cart. All right, so that's number one, X-Store. So now let's move to the second one. All right, so here is another multi-purpose WordPress theme. It's called Flat Sum. All right, so you can see this has over 250 sales. All right, over 250 sales, going at a price of $59. Right, so also no coding required. Now let's explore this theme. So if I click on link preview, so it takes us to this page. So you can see this is number one best-selling WooCommerce and business theme. All right, so again, let's explore some of the features and the demos. So you can see these are the demos: classic shop, cute shop, parallax. So this is a demo for fashion. This is another demo for fashion. A whole lot of them are more fashion. Okay, vendor shop, sports. Okay, and this you can also use them to create a regular website. You know, when you're not doing the e-commerce, you can also use them for a regular kind of website. Okay, but this also comes highly recommendable. So Flat Sum, you can see large online library of predefined layouts. So if you click here, you're going to see a whole lot of them. Here are the features: UX builder, and then once you click them, you can see elements library. They have a good documentation, and then you can see the elements, more of it are written out here: map, portfolio, pages, you know, tabs, team members. You know, some of these elements that you are seeing here, you will find them on Elementor, but theirs comes with some different effects, okay, which will make your own website more unique. Okay, so this is another one that comes highly recommendable. It is called Flat Sum. So if you want to check out how some of these pages looks like, if you come to shop, you can just check out maybe how the list layout look like, how the full width layout look like, how the right column or the left column looks like. You know, if you want to see other pages, the about, contact, or the store maintenance page, you want to see how they look like. Once you click on all these pages, you will see what those templates or what those demo looks like. All right, so that's it on Flat Sum. So here is another thing that comes highly recommendable. You can see 250 sales, which is very high. All right, so that is it on Flat Sum. Let's go ahead and look at the third one. I hope you are finding value in this video already. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up and do make sure you subscribe. All right, so next on our list is called Walmart. Okay, so this is a multi-vendor marketplace WooCommerce theme. All right, so when we talk about a multi-vendor, in case I've not mentioned it or you are wondering what a multi-vendor is, that means it's a marketplace that allows other people or other users to create an account and sell their own products. All right, so you can achieve that using this particular theme. And this theme works with Elementor Page Builder and WP Bakery. So if you are a fan of any of those, then this theme will work for you. It comes with 29 demos. So let's go ahead and check out the live preview. All right. So starting out, you can see e-commerce and multi-vendor, stunning design, high performance, fully and easy, customizable. All right. So 29 demos. So let's see. Let's see what the demos looks like. All right, so here are the demos. All right, so one thing I like about this, you can see that the demos is across various niches. Okay, so this is more like a food website, you can see, and this is like a tech or a gadget. This is like furniture and interior. This is like a multi-purpose kind of website, like an Amazon kind of website. Okay, so you can see it here, different items. Okay, so this is, here is another one. This is more of okay, multi-purpose. You can see these are just multi-purpose kind of e-commerce websites where you see that you can sell different items. This is not limited to maybe tech or fashion. Okay, it's a mix of everything. So these are different layouts that you can actually choose from. So you can choose it based on the layout, based on the design. Okay, you can see like this, it has a category side at the hero section. You can see this has a full hero section. You know, it all depends on you and what you intend to do. So this is, here is another design. So you can choose from any of the demos that best fits what you intend to do. Right, so if you scroll down, you see more features about this particular page builder. So talking about speed, 95% page speed score, okay, and 90% wide slow score. So you can see WooCommerce plus MultiVendor comes with some premium features at no extra cost to you, okay, and the likes. So once you're on this page, you can scroll through everything to see more of the features of this particular theme. You can see it here. It comes highly recommendable. WooCommerce. These are the plugins that actually works well with it. Yoast SEO, Git plugin, WPML, so you can have it in multiple language, MultiVendor X, Docan, another MultiVendor plugin. Okay, all right. So that is it on this one. If you are looking forward to create a MultiVendor, this comes highly recommendable. And if you want to just create a regular website also, this also comes highly recommendable. Just check out the demos. If you see anyone that interests you, you are good to go. Either a personal e-commerce website or a MultiVendor, the theme comes highly recommendable. Okay, so that is it on Walmart. Do make sure you check this out also. So next on our list is called Druko. So this is an Elementor WooCommerce WordPress theme. All right, so this particular theme works with Elementor Page Builder. You can see it here. Elementor, it was stated there. All right, so you can see Druko is an e-commerce WordPress theme designed for shopping online stores. All right, so now let's check out the live preview. So this comes with 6 home pages. All right, so the home page is more of you can see even from the logo, you can see this gear icon there. Okay, or is it wheel or cog? So maybe if you want to you do car parts or auto parts, you understand, and you're looking for a template like that, then this theme comes highly recommendable. Okay, so you can see it here. The templates, I mean, the demos are more of car parts and auto parts. All right, but if you like the demo, you understand, you can just import your own product and maintain the layouts. All right. So you can see front end and real-time editing using Elementor Page Builder. And then this is showing you how responsive it is. Okay, so that's to tell you how responsive on mobile device. You know, as an e-commerce website, most of your sales will be coming from mobile. All right, so you need to make sure that you are using a theme that is very responsive. That means it's, you know, once you are switching from tablets to mobile, it will still appear well. And all the themes I'm recommending to you are very responsive. Okay, so these are different layouts. So if you want your category or your filter to be on the side, if you want it to be like this is, you can, you know, choose from all the options that is available, different header style for you to choose from. Okay, and then unlimited footer layouts. All right, so these are different footer layouts that you can actually pick. And if you are very creative with Elementor Page Builder, you can also decide to create yours. All right, so this is talking about product over style. You know, so once you over a product, you can see it's showing you how it will appear. Right, so these and everything you're going to be getting when you decide to choose this theme. All right, so you can see all the inner pages, product variation, discounts, products, and every other thing about this theme. All right, so that is it on Druko. This is another theme that comes highly recommendable. So it's not limited to car parts and auto parts alone. If you like the theme, you can just use it and just make sure you bring in your own kind of product. But if you want to do car parts, then just go ahead with this theme to make your work much more easier. All right, so that's it on Druko. Now let's move to the next one. The next one is called Sinner Store. Here is another multi-purpose theme. So let's go ahead and check out the live preview. You can see this is coming at $79. All right. So 10 unique layouts supporting multi-language and RTL. So multi-language basically means it's available in different languages, or you can just create your website in a particular language and, you know, it will be translated. It can be translated to other language based on the user location or, you know, traffic where the person is coming from. And it's also support RTL, meaning you can also use this theme to create websites whose language are always written from left to right, like Arabic and Hebrew and the likes. So now let's check out the demos. So most of the demos deals with tech or electronics or gadgets, like you can see here. Okay, so these are the demos. So if you want to see more of these demos, you can just click on it, and then you can explore all the pages so that you can have a full idea of what each of those pages looks like. Okay, but I won't be doing that in this video, so that the video will not be just too long. You know, I can't start opening all the demos and be exploring them one after the other. Okay, but the demos are great. You know, just looking at it from this snapshot here, so you can see it here, different design, different layouts for you to choose from. Okay, so these are the key features. No coding required. WooCommerce ready, fully support RTL, SEO optimize. You can see it here. Okay, so you can see mobile layout customized. Mobile layout is now available. All right, so these are some other plugins that you are going to be getting alongside this particular theme at no extra cost to you. Okay, so if you want to also get this, okay, so once you're on the page, you can go ahead and add it to carts. All right, so this is just a summary of everything I've just explained about this theme. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there's an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get 73% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59 ETH, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. Welcome back. So next on our list is called Marketo. Right. So these are eCommerce and MultiVendor marketplace WooCommerce WordPress theme. Such a long name. All right. So with over 5,000 sales at $59, that means you can use this for a MultiVendor e-commerce website or for a personal website, maybe to sell your own kind of products. Okay. All right. So this comes with 7 on-page designs. Okay, but let's go ahead and check out the live preview. So if I click on live preview, you'll be taken to this page. All right. So these are the demos. So you can see this is a demo. This is more like e-commerce websites for all kind of products. Okay, and this is for furniture, a demo on furniture, demo on groceries. Okay, so if you are looking forward to sell something in that niche, right? So this is another demo for shoes. So if you want to create an e-commerce website for shoes, you can just go ahead and pick this theme and just import this demo. It will make your work much more easier. This is for watches, for auto parts. Okay, but like I said, you can also download, for example, if you like this layout or this particular theme, and then you decide to choose this and you use this demo, this is shoes. You can decide to maybe use it to sell laptops. Okay, so it's not limited only to shoes. Okay, but what I noticed is that quite a number of people like using a demo that fits exactly what they want to sell. All right, so this is a demo for watches. We also have eyeglasses, jewelries, electronics, organic electronics, different theme for electronics. You can see, because electronics is one of the niches that people create for e-commerce websites. So that's why you'll be seeing a lot of websites having demo for electronic and gadgets. All right, so you can see they have up to like 7 different demo for electronics alone. All right, so away from the demos, so you can see awesome and great demo, looking very clean and professional. You can see unlimited colors, so you can see it here. You can play around with the color to see what it looks like. So different layouts showing you what's the this is the shop page, the products detail page, product category page. So if you want to have a multi-vendor website like you can see here, okay, you can also use this theme to create multi-vendor website. Works with Elementor page builder, and then included social login plugin. So these are some other plugins that you're also going to be getting alongside these particular themes, this particular theme. Okay, so that is it on Marketo. So if you also like this theme, do make sure you check it out. Link again is in the description of this video. Okay, so you can choose your theme based on different things, maybe based on the price, based on the demo, based on the page builder, or maybe based on the features. All right, but one thing is very sure, all the themes I'm recommending to you, they are great themes. All right, so next is called Kalias. I hope I got this well. Kalias. So this is another e-commerce multi-purpose theme. This comes with 70 pre-made demos. All right, 70. So now let's explore this. You can see this is another great one. Over 50,000 sales, going at the price of $69. You are getting 70 demos that you can actually choose from. Okay. All right. So now let's look at the live preview of this. So let's go ahead and explore the demo. So you can see these are the different demos that are available. Medical shop. So I think this is the first demo that is talking about a medical shop. So you can use this for a pharmacy, maybe online pharmacy. So hosting, cargo, okay, auto trader. So maybe you want to sell cars. You can see there's a demo for you already. All right. So you can just go through all of these demos for law. So apart from using it for e-commerce, okay, you can also use it to create a regular kind of website. Okay, so you can see this is a portfolio, a site portfolio, education demo and the like. So it's not limited to e-commerce alone. Okay, but you can also use it for every other kind of website. All right, so if this also is what you like, do make sure you check this out. So these are some of the reviews and some of the features in summary about this particular theme, Kalias. So let's continue. This is Clotha. All right. So this is a fashion store theme. So if you're looking forward to creating a fashion store, a fashion e-commerce website, this particular one comes highly recommended. Okay. This is created specifically for fashion, and it is quite very affordable compared to the other ones we've looked at. This is for $39. So it works with Elementor page builder, WooCommerce ready. So now let's look at some of the demo for this cloth here. So you can see these are the demos, about 8 of them. All right. So you can see different design and different layouts available to you with this particular theme. So this is showing you the product image over. So, and then it has different header style. So if you want any of these header style, maybe logo at the top, logo at the left, sidebar menu, WooCommerce, mobile button menu. That's this menu you're seeing here. Mobile button menu is available there. Quick view. Okay. All right. So if you're on this page now, you can just scroll down to see some of the features. If you click here too, you see the features. It's about this theme, and it also comes with some video tutorials in case you go with the theme and you're confused about certain features and things. You can just use the documentation on that video section to really understand what to do. Okay. All right. Okay, so if you are finding value in this, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in this with all the things I'll be sharing with you so far. All right, so now we are on the, I think this is the eighth one, eight themes that we are looking, number 8 on our list. This is called Handbook. Okay, Handbook multi-purpose WordPress theme. This comes with 34 demos, okay, and for $35. All right, so now let's check out the live preview for this. So starting out with the demos, so let's check out demo for this theme. So here is a fashion, this is for fashion, this is for home furniture, home sports. So you can just open any of them to see what all the pages looks like, but this is just like a preview. Okay, so this is for technology, maybe for gadgets, another one for electronics, for jewelry. Okay, for home vitamins, maybe supplements or medication. This is a demo. This is socks. Okay, home pick ball. This is like a sports demo. This is for fashion. Another one thing for fashion. For protein. So let me be for food or the likes. Okay, so you can see a whole lot of them, different demos that you can actually pick from. This is for cosmetic. Okay, so if you want to sell cosmetic products and you're looking for a demo that you can use, this comes highly recommendable. Okay, you can see you can choose from 1, 2, 3 different demos that you can actually choose from. Okay, so this is for food, this is for food. Okay, this is for a marketplace, that's maybe like a multi-vendor marketplace. Okay, so you can also use that. And if you just purchase the theme, you just want to have a coming soon page, you can just put a coming soon till when you want to create it. All right, so if you scroll down, you see some other features. Okay, this is talking about the different header layouts, multi-language support, okay, smart product filter. That means there are different ways that you can filter your products easily on your website. All right, smart live search, frequently bought together. This helps to increase sales. Okay, blog multi-layout, so you can easily add a blog layout to your e-commerce website using different styles that are available to you. Okay, so all these and more are what you are going to be getting with this particular theme. All right, so the last one on our list is called electronics. Okay, so basically this is for electronics and gadgets. All right, and if you look at this theme, it's over 25,000 sales, and if you look at it, it's one of the trending theme right now. Okay, so let's explore these and let me show you what the demo look like. So this comes with 20 demos. Okay, so you can see it here. It's more of electronics. So if you're looking forward to electronics, gadgets, or tech, okay, you can see this theme has all the demos is about tech, about gadgets, you know, about electronics. Okay, so definitely you should see one that actually interests you. Okay, I think there are 20 of them. Okay, yeah, 20 plus. Okay, so you can see it's different design, different layouts that you can actually choose from. So you can just open any of them and then see what the page look like. So you can see it here. So you can also use it for multi-vendor. All right, so you can see it here when you have different categories of products. All right, so these are the different layouts, vendor list. Okay, so dedicated mobile layout. So this is what the mobile view looks like. Okay, and then you can also have different header styles, like you can see here. Different header styles is available. I think this is more than 10 header styles already. Okay, so different WooCommerce layouts, works with Elementor, page builder, works with Visual Composer. Okay, and predefined color to make your own. So even you can see that most of the demos here is more of yellow and white. So you can also, you know, change the color to your own color, right? So these are some plugins that works well with it. Multi-vendor marketplace plugins, some other premium plugin. You also get all of these alongside with this particular thing. Okay, all right, so you can see this is the one of the demo that I just opened while exploring it. Okay, so you can see you can switch between the light and dark version. You can see it. Yes, if I click on light, you can see it here. You know, some person like browsing websites in the dark version, like myself. So, but this is the light version, and this is what it looks like. So you can see it here. So this is looking professional. There's nobody that will come on this kind of website and say this is not looking professional looking. Okay, and it will save you time of creating something like this. So once you purchase this theme, you import this demo, and this is what you are going to have. So the only thing you need to do is update the product to yours. Okay, so that you put in your own product or the product that you have available. Right, so if I switch back to dark mode, so this is what we have. Okay, so you can see that all the categories have been created. Okay, all the categories have been created. So if yours is different category that you want to have, you can just go to your back end and then you can just update all the categories. Okay, you can see some of these effects. All right, so with that, now I've gone through all the themes I want to share with you. Again, let me show you. We look at Xstore, we look at Flat Sum, Walmart, we look at Druko, Senna Store, we look at Marketo, Alias, and then okay, we look at Clothier. So this is it here. This is for fashion. Okay, and then we also looked at Vogue, and then we look at Electro. So this is an electronic store. Okay, so let me know what you think about all of these things and which of these things are you going for. Let me know all of this in the comment section below, and I'd like to know what kind of e-commerce store are you looking for to create. Okay, is it a clothing store? Is it electronics? Is it online pharmacy or healthcare? Is it tools? Is it machineries? Or for furniture? The list is endless. So let me know what kind of store you are looking forward to create. And don't forget, I'll leave a link to these themes in the description of this video, and also the link to Hostinja so that you can take advantage of the 73% off on hosting plus the free domain you are going to be getting courtesy of Hostinja. So guys, I hope you find value in the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Do make sure you subscribe. So thank you very much for watching, guys. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.